Hi there, my name is Tracy Talgan, and today we're going to be making this book art hedgehog from a paperback book. The materials you'll need are an old paperback or unused paperback book, a pair of scissors, a scrap piece of paper, a Sharpie or black marker, a hot glue gun or liquid glue, or masking tape or clear tape. So to start, I ripped the cover off of my book. You don't have to do this if you want to leave it on, but I like just the look of it without the cover. And then we're going to find approximately the center of the book. You don't have to count it out exactly, but just around the middle of the book. And we're going to start by folding one of those pages up to the center of that book or the top of that piece of paper. We're going to take the bottom right corner and bring it up to that top of that page or the center of the book. We're going to do the same thing with the bottom left corner, and then we're going to just sort of flatten it and push it up to lie flat on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing for the next page. We need to do this series of folds for approximately 25 to 30 pages. Will give us the shape of the hedgehog that we need. And after about 25 pages, it starts to get difficult to continue to fold more pages. So I find 25 to 30 is good. I'll let you watch me fold a few of these pages so you can get an idea of the technique and follow along. So I folded about 20 pages here, and if you find it helpful, you can use a binder clip to hold those together while you continue to fold. Even with that clip, it's still getting difficult for me to complete the folds without those pages getting in the way. So now I'm going to add 2 eyes and a nose using that scrap piece of paper and the black marker. So we just draw 2 googly type eyes and a black oval for the nose. If you want to, you can add even more features to this hedgehog. You could add a bow or a ribbon to the top of the head, or you could add a top hat. Some eyeglasses might be interesting, or a moustache. The most secure way of attaching these features to the paper is to use a hot glue gun, but if you don't have one of those, some liquid glue may work. I'm going to be using some masking tape, and that worked okay for me. I spaced the eyes a little wide apart, so I did change that up, and I put them closer together and closer to the nose because I thought that made him look more cute. You can either leave the hedgehog attached to the book, or you can remove it from the rest of the book. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please like, comment, or subscribe. It helps to support my channel, and I do appreciate that. I'd like to thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my next video. Take care and bye for now.